My name is Mary Salazar, and I have been with Head Start in the Tooele, Grantsville, and Salt Lake area for just over 30 years. First of all, I want to say thank you to Ion Solar for giving us solar panels. We are so very, very excited, and I know the Ion Earth branch of that is what's doing the work today, and the workers have been so supportive and so helpful and so fun. Salt Lake was lucky enough to be one of the first grantees, and so Utah Community Action has had a Head Start program since 1965. The Head Start serves the underprivileged children and families of our community. We focus on education, health, social services, nutrition. So our kids have a wide variety of experiences in the classroom where they learn social skills, they learn fine motor, gross motor, math, science, language, everything, but in a play environment. So we really serve the entire needs of the family and work on empowering the families so that they can work towards their goals of self-sufficiency.